Good morning. We're on a morning boat this morning, so soup, chicken foot with chicken back soup and pumpkin, so I'm adding the water. Clean up the pumpkin. We'll also add some garlic, some pimento seed. So I'm adding some garlic. The pumpkin already washed. Adding in the pumpkin. Adding in the chicken foot. Then put it already washed too. So the carrot already cut up and wash off. So I'm going to add it in. The sun is really hot today, guys. Along with the heat, it's really hot. So I have to change the table from over that side to over this side because the breeze will blow the heat to that way. I'm adding in the yam, adding in the yellow yam. Afterward, I'm gonna add in the chicken back. I'm washing them in some vinegar water. So I already clean them off, take out the excess waste off of them, which is the fat. So I'm going to use a sweet potato, chocho, some Irish potato, so I'm going to cut them out and add them into the water. So today we're currently shooting the video from outdoor in the yard. I'm just taking a break, guys, from the river. I mean, the contents are great when we are at the river, yes, but it takes a lot of work, a lot of energy. So I'm a little bit tired, but you know me still have to continue put out the work. So I'm just taking a break from the river for this week. So hopefully next week we can resume back to shooting the content from the river. And I have some great content coming up, some catch and cook content. So I already talked to the fisherman who is gonna take us out there, but because the sea is rough right now, so I'm just waiting on him to get back to me as soon as the water is much more calm. Cutting up the sweet potato. So it's all about giving you guys good outdoor content. So we have a lot of great contents coming. Just taking our time building the platform to how we want it. Sunday morning now, so you know, just doing things a little bit different instead of traditional rice and peas, you know. So I'm going some chicken back soup with chicken foot in the morning. gonna wash the vegetable, put them in. And you can see the texture of the soup, which is the color, catching a good color. Pumpkin is rich. I'm gonna make some dumpling, put in a soup, so a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add small portion of water. And mix. Super one. The bubble up. Chicken back soup with chicken foot. Morning as a early morning food. I'm adding in the spinach. Chicken back soup look good. You know, the soup can't be soup without the spinach. Look how it's authentic, it's real Jamaican style cooking. You know, all of us grew up on this chicken back. You know what I mean? Growing up seeing our parents looking after it. So adding the spinach, them soup look rich. You know, spinach in our soup is a must, right, cameraman? Yes, sir. Oh, dumping a drop of ground. You know, somebody will watch a video on YouTube, more to run water for his soup, you know, that's why. See dumpling or drop a grummy. Somebody more to run water for his soup, man. For his soup rich and pretty. The next thing now, after adding the spinach, adding the scallion and the thyme, green scotch bonnet pepper, and the chicken noodle. Kind of bleaky, so I think this is the best way to start out the morning. And soup. I'm gonna season up the soup, so I'm using the soup pack soup mix, spicy. Because I don't want it to go all the way to the bottom. Circle down the bottom and started to hitch, that is going to make the soup started to burn. No wonders. Adding in some scallion, thyme, pepper, water, stick of butter. so. I'm gonna add just a little pinch of salt in it. Check on the soup. Soup look really good, guys. So I give it another 5 minutes and I hit that for the morning. And I'm going to get to sit in the So you know so the soup done. You know so general taxi driver Maroon forward to come get some of my soup, so you know say that's how we are kick it today. And I color wash, so you know, general anywhere I want to go up on the river vlogging, you know left me out. I fear this I know my boss.
Yeah, chop. Wow, nice rich soup in the morning. It's right, open appetite.
So we are kick it in the morning.
Yeah, well hot and steamy. You don't know, put down the look of the cool man, too hot and spicy. Yes, tall man, in the taste for the tall boy. Yes, alright.
Man, the play soup really tastes good. And trust me, I'm hungry. To be honest, I'm not telling a lie, I'm like really hungry. It's the first I'm eating from morning. So that makes the soup extremely taste good. And please like, comment and share, subscribe for more awesome video. And guys, remember, when you subscribe to the channel, please turn on the post notification bell. So whenever time we upload a content, you will always be the first to receive the content. Peace out, I'm out, guys.